Hello friends, how are you? Hope you guys are all well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is about high performance computing in genomics and the space stations what is the role of genomics in and space station in high performance computing. Okay. So before moving to the topic, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to watch my previous videos. So moving to my topic. Abstract the Earth and the space science investigation has one of the major goals are understanding observations, predictions, modeling of efforts on the Earth and in all space. All of this stage requires advanced computing, starting from processing to archiving, then retrieving for the extraction of the meaningful information from all those various observations, filtering these data is important, and the scientists are assisted by the advanced algorithms for achieving the same. And also there is an increase in the experiments involving research at the genomic level as well as in the advanced DNA sequencing technology. The complexity as well as the amount of the biological data is increasing very rapidly. As the volume of the data produced is too huge, it is very difficult or better to say impossible to using an ordinary desktop machine. This is where the concept of the high performance computing in genomics and space science comes into play. In this paper, we try discussing science comes into a play. In this paper, we try discussing various applications of high performance computing in various aspects of genomics as well as space science. Furthermore, as an effort has been made to give emphasis on the use of high performance computing in visualizing one of the biggest space related issues of the present times, the space debris. Okay, introduction. Genomics involves incorporating elements from the genetics and the studying involved the whole genome of the organism. It makes use of DNA sequencing methods as well as different combinations of the recombinant DNA as well as bioinformatics for assembling, sequencing, and analyzing the function and the structure of the genomes. The genomic experiment taking place today has to process the so-called biological big data research the size of the petabytes and the terabytes. Now, if the scientists use their own workstations, then they may require weeks or even months for processing this huge amount of data. Parallelism techniques and high performance computing environments can be applied to solve these problems. The various mysteries of genetics can be unblocked by making use of high performance computing. Furthermore, all of the investigations happening in the space science require advanced computing on all the stages, be it because of thousands and thousands of satellites orbiting around the Earth orbit, or be it because of the numerous experiments taking place by the astronauts and the scientists. Okay, international space stations of these include a huge amount of data which need to be properly processed in order to derive meaningful information. The search of life forms happening in the Mars along the with various other research needs the play of the parallel computing in some way or the other. In this work, we aim to provide an overview of the various applications of the parallel and the high performance computing in the various aspects of genomics and space science. Additionally, we emphasize on one of the major applications of the parallel computing in space debris visualizations. Space debris, also known as the space junk, refer to debris or the pieces of the machinery left in space by the humans. Space junk can also be hazardous to spacecraft and active satellites if the collision risk grows to become too high. Then the Earth's orbit could even become impassable. Last satellite that was destroyed due to the collision by the space junk was in 2009. Parallel computing, that what it is, parallel computing in genomics. Okay, so parallel computing makes it possible to build and maintain the deep broad databases of the real world genetic informations. Automating the large scale analysis of genetic information with this level of the big data available so can help the improving healthcare for the whole population, since even a single genome or proteome contains an immense of quality of the single genome, or proteome contains an immense quality of data. Performing even a simple analysis is one genome on genome scale data quickly turns into a computationally difficult problem. Thus, high performance computing, as well as its various related components in database systems, computer engineering, and visualization, is required by the computational biology. The cost of sequencing a human genome has been drastically dropping over the years because of the usage of the parallel computing, unlocking the more of the secret held with the microscopic structure of the DNA is an area of the research. Okay, so I think I have explained everything to you. So if you have any queries about anything, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll give answers to you. So time to go. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.